What's up, team? Fullest Beauty again, Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my canal. So please excuse the mess. I'm filming on this carpet, but I want to come and do an unboxing for you guys. I bought this bag from AliExpress. You guys know I'm not really into bag, but this few months I have been trying to get some bags and trying to do my nails, trying to be a lady, I like to do makeup, but when it comes to bags and fixing false nails is not something that I'm really into because I have so many hobbies. I like to walk in the garden, I like to plant my own vegetables, I like to do stuff, so my hands is always in the water, busy doing something. So that's the reason why I never really have time to do any false nails. But if I'm ready to go somewhere decent, I'll definitely do a nail polish. But right now I have nothing, but it's something I'm really working on, and my nails are always short. I never really have long nails except if I'm going somewhere special. So I have decided, you know what, it's time for me to start doing my nails and picking up some bags and look like a lady. Now I have two decent bags which I'm working on, and I picked two other bags from AliExpress. So this one has just arrived and I want to come and do an unboxing to show you guys how it looks. I've picked a bunch of stuff from AliExpress now. Like, you know how when you buy stuff from AliExpress, they come little by little. Yeah, that's what I'm dealing with right now. But after everything arrived, I'm going to show you guys everything that I bought from AliExpress. So now let's get this box open. I'm just gonna take this thing I use for my eyebrow. This is new one, I haven't used it yet. So I'm gonna take this one to open this package. Oh, okay, so this is what you get. They open, but I can't read Chinese. It is okay, and this is what the bag is looking like. It's one of those designer bags, but a copy of the real deal. This is what it is. I am super excited. It's not the real deal, it's a copy, but I've seen a lot of great reviews on this on AliExpress websites. People who buy it, they review it. So I thought, you know what, since I'm looking for a black bag, let me just give this a try. Oh my god, it's looking so beautiful. And yes, it is very small. This is what I want. This is exactly what I'm looking for. It's so nice, it's so cool. Okay, are you guys ready? Yes, this is so beautiful. This is super nice. How does it open? I don't know. Okay, yeah, because I don't know how it works, so still have to. Oh my god, it looks so beautiful. I've seen a lot of great reviews on this bag. Okay, let's take out all this. It was well packaged, and it looks exactly, you can't tell the difference with this one and the real one. It looks exactly the same. It's so nice. Like, I barely buy bags with colors, so for me, when I buy a bag, it's normally black, and you do have a little pocket in here. It's so cool. You have this one here. What is this? Is this another pocket? Okay, it'll have one pocket here, something here, and then you have this big one in here, and then you have something here also. Maybe you want to hide something, your wallets, and something in here as well. So guys, this is the bag. I am super excited. I'm so excited, guys. And the packaging was well good, because when I first saw it, I was like, I hope it is what it looks like. And yes, it looks exactly like how it looks on the websites, on AliExpress website. So guys, this is my tiny mini bag. I hope you all like this. If you guys want to know where I get it, let me know in the comment box. I'll put the link for you guys, because I don't like to put the link of stuff like this because it's not the real deal. I don't want to get any problem. But if you guys are interested, you guys know my WhatsApp number. It's in the comments. It's in my description box. Check it there if you guys are interested in getting this bag, or you guys want to get any other stuff that I picked up from AliExpress. Just send me a WhatsApp message and I will send you guys the link. So yeah, this is it. I'm super excited. At least I have like three. I have now three black bags. I have one more which is supposed to come. So now I have 3 black bags. 3. I'm super excited. So yeah, this is a quick unboxing. If you guys like this video, give a thumbs up, and then I'll know you guys like it. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. I really appreciate you all. And I'll see you guys on my next video. If you have any question, DM me, send me a WhatsApp message, or leave it in the comment box. Thank you guys. Peace out. Bye.